Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change opacity on Adobe Express. So first things, you need to open a design here. So I select one, then here I type template, then type get. So you can see this is get photo. I open up. Then I want to add another one, this one. So I import this photo from its up. Okay, let's go to just photo, click on here. You can see this is opacity. Just click on here, then see the music. If I keep it 30%, you can see this is a view. But if I keep it 60%, you can see this is a view. So I keep at 100% and 50% and anything here you can. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.